Using your Venmo balance to send money to someone is straightforward and convenient. Here's how to Venmo someone from your Venmo balance. Open the app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device and log into your account. Initiate payment. Tap on the Pay or Request button located at the bottom of the screen. Select recipient. Enter the username, phone number, or email address of the person you want to send money to in the search bar. Select their name from the search results. Enter amount. Input the amount you want to send to the recipient. You can also add a note to the transaction for clarity. Choose Venmo balance. Under the payment method options, select your Venmo balance as the source of funds for the transaction. Review and confirm. Double-check the transaction details, including the recipient's name and the payment amount. Tap on the Pay button to confirm the transaction. Confirmation. Once the transaction is confirmed, the recipient will receive a notification of the incoming payment, and the funds will be deducted from your Venmo balance.